Do you want to sell online and generate passive income? Well, in this video, we are going over exactly how you can achieve this by selling anything you wish with sales funnels. It doesn't matter if you sell digital or physical products, or if you are using drop shipping, a sales funnel will help your business immensely regardless. Understanding the power of sales funnels unlocks higher conversion rates, more loyal customers, and overall higher profits. But first of all, we need to discuss what a sales funnel is and how they work. The main ideas in this video originate from the book .com Secrets. What do you think about when you hear the phrase sales funnel? Probably a funnel with potential customers and your paying customers at the bottom come to mind. This is a valid statement, but the best way to distinguish and see the power of these funnels is to compare them to your run-of-the-mill website. A normal website is like a giant digital brochure. Imagine you're walking through a crowded street fair and you see a vendor selling their goods. You're not really sure what they're selling, but they have a colorful sign that catches your eye. You approach the booth, but you're immediately overwhelmed by all the products on display. You're not sure which one is right for you, and you end up leaving without making a purchase. The problem with this approach is that it violates a vital rule of marketing. A confused mind always says no. If you have ever been on a sketchy website that looks like it wasn't updated since the early 2000s, or on a website where you just can't find one single thing because everything is spaghetti, you switch to a different site fast. A sales funnel, on the other hand, is like taking your customer on a specific and linear journey. Every funnel page only has one purpose with one call to action without any distractions. It's like going through a store with a happy salesperson showing you only the products that are relevant to you and answering any questions you may have. You feel confident in your purchase and walk out of the store with a smile on your face. If a normal and maybe spaghetti-looking website is like the back rooms, a sales funnel is the most beautiful path you can walk on with clear directions. Not only enjoys your customer a much better experience, but you also skyrocket your profits. With this in mind, I want to go over the 4 main types of funnels with a special focus on the unboxing funnel. You probably have seen at least one YouTuber that has told you, subscribe to my insert generic YouTuber newsletter so I can spam you with emails or something like that. Why do so many people offer a newsletter nowadays? Heck, I will probably do the same soon. It's simple. Newsletters are designed to generate leads and convert potential customers to paying customers down the line, while simultaneously providing your customers with free and valuable content. Both parties win in this. So, how do you grow your email list? Through a squeeze page. This is a simple website with one goal. Give the customer a free offer and get his email in return. The offer should be something your dream customer will love and genuinely appreciate. In the next step, you can follow up directly by telling your new lead about a different funnel, something that builds on the original offer, or at a later date through emails. This leads me to the next funnel. Picture this. You're at your favorite burger joint and you're craving a big, juicy burger with all the fixing. You're excited to place your order, but as you're scrolling through the menu, you notice something interesting. The restaurant has taken their delicious burger and broken it down into separate packages. You can still order the classic burger, but now you also have the option to add bacon, cheese, or even upgrade to a double patty. That's exactly what an unboxing funnel with upsells and order form bumps do for your business. It takes your offer and breaks it down into bite-sized pieces, giving your customers more control over what they buy. And just like how you couldn't resist adding bacon to your burger, customers often can't resist the temptation of an enticing upsell or a low-ticket order form bump. Order form bumps are like the digital version of items at the checkout line at the grocery store. You can quickly buy small goodies. For Russell Brunson, implementing these small order form bumps increased his sales by a whopping 33%. As for the structure of this funnel, you first of all have the sales page with a big headline and the story behind your offer. The page at the top should be emotional because most buyers buy on emotion. Further down, you should present the logical facts and explain why someone should invest. At the bottom, you create a sense of scarcity like, this offer ends in 3 seconds. Below this, you may want to reiterate your offer and place your order form. As for the potential upsells, there is a big difference between digital and physical products. Buying a digital product is like buying a magical pill that solves one need. Instead of selling something similar next, you should think about what is the next logical product your customer needs. If you sell tips on how to lose fat, the next logical step could be about how to get a six-pack. When selling physical products, however, you should offer more of the same, but for a cheaper price. After they complete the order, tell them, "Thank you," and more information about what's next. You can even follow up and tell them about your next funnel. Instead of just a simple sales page, a presentation funnel is like a blockbuster movie. It's an immersive experience that takes time to build up to the big reveal. In a video or live presentation, you get to explain your offer in depth and break down any false beliefs that your potential customer may have. You're not just selling a product, you're telling a story. And just like a movie, there's a climactic moment where you make your big ask, your call to action. You give them clear instructions on how to purchase, and maybe even sweeten the deal with a bonus or limited time offer. This funnel consists of live streams, presentations, webinars, product launches, or live events, and is generally for more expensive items or services that need a longer time to explain. The last and most premium funnel is the backend or phone funnel. Here, you change the selling environment and speak to your customer over the phone or in person directly. You also change the relationship. You don't necessarily want the customer, but the customer wants you. This funnel is an application for your potential customer, and after you have received their application, you review it and decide if you want to work with them. This is where real big boy money can be made, but it is also harder to get to this point. With your new knowledge acquired, I hope your next or first funnel is going to be a success. However, if you haven't watched this last video yet, I would recommend doing this before. It talks about your dream customer and how they can supercharge your funnels and other business ventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.